Hello, welcome everyone to the session. So today we are going to see strings in Python. So string is nothing but a string in Python is a sequence of character that can be enclosed within the single quotation, double quotation, or like in a triple quotation. Okay, so it is most commonly used data type in Python and it can be immutable, meaning that cannot be changed once after it has been created. So um, okay, some sample example that I can show. Str1 is equal to um, hello world. If I print str1 can be printed. So this is what the string is. So it can be with the single quotation or the double quotation. Okay, so if you see, can be supported double quotation also, the triple quotation also supported. Okay, so this is what the string is, and we will see we will be having string functions and the method. Okay, string functions and its methods. So Python is providing a variety of inbuilt functions and the method to manipulate and work with some strings. So if you see the most commonly used string function that we are going to see along with some examples. Okay, so the first one would be like if you want to access first character of a string. So say for example, if I have this hello world that is printed, so I can able to get this first character of H. Okay, so that will be having a function. It is not a function that it can be uh, get from some index value. So if you are seeing this as a zeroth index, this is a first index, this is a second index. So this is the sequence that we have index value inside to the string. So if you see, I can able to get the first value str1, so which is the variable name, and if you want the zeroth index, you can print. So see, as I told, this is the first index that can be printed. Okay, so also you can able to print the last character also. So in order to do that, whatever last character that you wanted to print, you just use this minus one. Okay, so minus one is nothing but like a last index. So see, D is the last index of the string value. So this is how it can be the method can be used to manipulate some strings, and also we can able to slice strings, like, so as we see that from index 0 to right, I mean like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we can also slice this uh, uh, particular values, the variable values. So this is how we can see that. So if you see, so say for example, I want the zeroth index to the third index. Okay, so I can able to do that with the help of 0. The colon should be the slicing one. If I put this third, it will print 0 to third. See, 0, 1, 2, I mean like 0, 1, 2. Anyway, the third won't be get indexed since this is kind like a n equal to n minus 1. So say for example, if you are giving 3, then um, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So it will comes uh, from the starting of 0 to 2. So that is what here happened. So you should have to be keep in the mind. This is very much important. Okay. Okay. So we see that accessing the character in a string, right? So accessing characters inside a variable string. Right. Okay. Now we can see some concatenation. So if you see concatenation is nothing but like to join two more strings with the help of plus operator. Okay. Concatenation. Okay. Concatenation. So it is nothing but joining a one or more joining one or more strings with the help of plus operator. Okay. Okay. So here we as we see okay, maybe I can show a new one. str1 is equal to um, hello. So every time you should have to be remember, if you are giving a sort of string, it should have to be enclosed with single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Okay. And str2 build. Okay. I just store these two values into a variable. So if I want to concatenate this both the values, right? So I can do that with the help of before that I should have to create some variable to store with the strings str1 plus operator str2, and I can able to print this str3. If you see, both the value can be joined, like it can be concatenated. So say for example, if you need a space here, then I can able to do that. So you can just give some space in the area that say for example plus, and you just give some space here, and then you can just give again a concatenated. So this str1 plus the space plus this str2. Okay. So if you run this, you should able to see with the spaces. So this is what the string concatenation. So the next one that we are going to see is string repetition. Okay. String repetition. So string repetition. String repetition, that is you can repeat a string for a multiple time using multiple operator. So Um, this is a multiple operator. Okay, it is used to repeat the strings for multiple times. Okay. Okay. So in order to achieve that, I can store um, naming variable here, hello, and if I want to repeat for 3 times, I can able to do this with the help of this multiple one, str1, and I can able to give multiply star, and then I can able to give this 3 times. I wanted to repeated. So if you see hello, hello, and hello, 3 times the hello can be printed. Okay. Hmm. So like this, we'll be having other string method which is called you can able to find some string length of the character. So how many character or like how many lines uh, variable that can be stored, so that you can able to find that with the help of len function. So we'll be seeing that string gth length. Okay. So it is nothing but you can find the length of the string using a function called len. Okay. So this is what the function that we are going to use now. Okay. So for that, I can just have some variable name here equal to um, okay. Again, I'm having this hello world. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Right. If I want to see how many number of character that we have inside this particular string variable, I can able to get it with the help of len function. Okay, str1, right? I can able to enter. So see, it has been given that as 13. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 with the spaces 13. Okay, total we have 13 character. Everything is included. Okay, if you are giving some space or any comma, so that also get included with this. Okay, and the next one. So these are the function that we see in this particular string type, right? So we'll be having other method that we uses in a string. Okay, so the first one that we are going to see maybe string methods. So we'll be having I have just categorized 4 to 5 example here to convert a string into some uppercase character and convert all the character into some lower cases. So if you want a character first letter as a capital, maybe I can able to do that with capitalize method. Mm, and also we'll be having this first character of the each word in the string. So say for example, if you have multiple words in the string, I mean like the variable name string. So you can able to have each word that starts with some capitalize with some method. We can use some method to do that. And if you wanted some extra spaces, if you don't want the extra spaces from a specific string characters in between the characters, you can also remove that. Also we can do that with the help of this string method. Maybe we will see it one by one in the in this lecture. Okay, so the first one, that is okay, okay, I already have this string str1, right? So I can able to do that with the help print str1 dot upper. This is the method that we are using to change this hello world into converting this hello world from some uh, lowercase into the uppercase. Okay, if I click, then if you see earlier I was stored this particular variable value as h is a small, I mean like have capital letter, as a ELLO is a small letter. So now it has been converted into a uppercase letter. So this is this function that uses to convert all character into a uppercase. Okay, in a string into the uppercase. Okay, right. And we'll be going to see the other one, how to convert a string inside to the string that will be having a multiple character. So how can we convert and changing into the lowercase? Okay, so this is like a simple one. As we see, similar to the upper, we can use lower, lower. Okay, if you see this lower, that can be used to convert all the character from uppercase to lowercase, right? Okay, so the other one that we are going to see is capitalize. Mm, so, print str1 dot capitalize is the method that we are going to use. Capitalize, which this can be used to capitalize the first character of the string. Okay, so if you see, this is the first character of the string that we have. This can be capitalized, right? Okay. And like we have will be having this particular first character of the string that we can able to convert it, right? But we'll be having other word also, like other string also will be having inside to a string variable. So this also can be capitalized with the other method that we have as a title. So print str1 dot title. Mm, okay, I forgot to close this. So if it is a method, then we have to close. So say for see now this first character also converted into the capitalized one, and the second word also changed as a capitalized one. So this title that can be capitalized the first character of each word inside of the string, and this is what it is. And we can see the other one, which is like strip method. Okay, so strip method, it is nothing but remove a leading and tailing white spaces. So if you have a white, I mean like extra spaces. Okay, if you have a extra spaces from the starting of the string variable, and also ending of the string variable. With this help of this particular strip, you can able to remove that. Okay. Hmm. Print str1 dot. Okay, before that I can just have a variable, so I can have some extra spaces here, and also I'm having extra spaces here. Okay, so if I'm printing this one, I will get with some spaces. If you see, I can get it with some spaces. So in order to avoid this, maybe if you are handling um, some log file that we are going to get an input from one place to here in the script, it might have more extra spaces, or like um, some unwanted spaces that we already having, like some tab spaces, some new line, it may be into the next line or something. Maybe that can be avoided with the help of this strip. So the real magic that is going to happen, that is str1 dot a strip function, like strip method that we uses to remove the extra lines. So now if you see, there is no extra line, no extra spaces, right? So this is what it used to remove leading, like first one, and the tailing, which is the last one, removing the spaces from the string variable. Got it? Okay. Okay. Mm, now, okay. Mm, okay. Like this, we'll be having other more number of methods that we have. I will give you a reference link in the description box. Be If you need, you can just make use of that. Okay, so that's all about the string. Um, I mean, like string in Python. So we have covered like string functions and the method, and how do we access a character in a string, and also how can we concatenated the string, and how the strings can be repetition, and how to find the length of this particular string, and what are the methods that we have in a string. So all those methods that we see. Okay, so that's all about today's lecture. Mm, I will give you some reference link in the down to the description. Maybe make sure you have just check out the description, and that's all about the session today. So if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can just make sure subscribe to my YouTube channel. Um, I think I'm planning to give more additional lecture into the YouTube channel from Python perspective. So I'll see you until the next session. Thank you.